So I just want to kind of give you guys a little description about what I want to do here. I've been thinking about doing this YouTube thing for a while, and I watch a bunch of guys on here, and they all seem like really cool guys. And I'm like, well, I could do that stuff too. And so I figured maybe I'd try to make some videos, maybe help some of you younger guys that are just getting into the trade or don't know as much or with experience-wise or have questions, and just try to show you guys what I do on a daily basis and what a lot of us do. It takes a long time. You got to put your time in. You got to work hard, all that. You got to study. You got to go to the, training classes and whatnot. I've been doing a ton of that stuff all over the place for years. I've been doing this. I've been in this trade 20 years now. This year, the company I work for, I've been here 13 years now at this one. Real good company. Like I said, I mainly do commercial refrigeration. I do the HVAC too, but I'd say probably 95% of what I do is commercial refrigeration. Anywhere from, your little reach-ins and ice machines all the way up to, rack systems, the supermarket stuff. I do a lot of coolers and freezers, walk-ins, things like that. So I know there's stuff on YouTube for that, but it seems like there's a lot more HVAC stuff. So I figured I'd show you guys a lot of what I do. I'm from the Boston area. You can probably tell by my accent. And I got a real bad one. But just want to bring you guys some footage and see if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. You can comment either way and let me know. I know the filming isn't going to be as great right now. I'm doing this off my phone because I'm still trying to learn and experiment with this stuff. So, eventually I'm going to be getting a GoPro and everything and work on my editing and things like that, because I've never done anything like this. So I'm kind of technically challenged in this aspect. I can go fix all kinds of stuff, but when it comes to this stuff, I'm half brain dead. So, but anyway, I hope you guys will find this enjoyable or maybe learn something. Like I said, we all learn from each other. You're always learning in this trade. No one will ever know everything. I don't care how long you've been doing this. You will never know, because the stuff is always changing with the technology and all that. More computerized stuff, the way the systems are, just the controls, just everything. So, but at the same time, if you got some mechanical skill and half a brain, you should be able to do this business pretty well if you're willing to work. You got to work hard. You got to work long hours sometimes. You're on call. You're out all night. It sucks, but it's what we've chosen to do, so we got to do it. But if you guys like it, like I said, let me know. If you don't, you don't. But like, comment, and subscribe if you want, and I'll try to get some more footage up and be back to you guys with some more. Thank you for watching.